What's up, you guys? I'm gonna do a live unboxing here. I ordered something, felt like splurging, and I ordered something, so I'm gonna open it up. And I've never had a set of these before. And it's hard. I got some Lineage bars. Let me see. Let me see here. Yeah, so Haro Lineage or knee savers, and these are 8.5. Now, what I've seen online, and the ones that sell out, are 9.5. So somewhere over the course of time, 8.5 bars have fallen out of coolness, I guess. But I like 8.5, and they're always in stock. So hey, some guy's hoarding all the 9.5s. Wants to make you pay double for them. Excellently wrapped. I got these from Cheap Goods BMX. Gabe Weed is he rides, most people probably know, but he has a shop, and if you on Instagram you can message him about stuff, he'll always get back to you, he'll work with you, and so I like to order from there from time to time. But yeah, so let's see. Let's see here. This is usually when I drop something. I normally don't buy new because I managed to screw it up almost immediately. What am I at here? So yeah, these are 8.5, and let's see, 3 degrees up and 10 degrees back. 28.5 degrees wide at 8.5. So that's good for me. 28.5 at 8.5. I'm all about that. So yeah, I've never had the knee saver shape. I always have the old school Pro Performer. So yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna take it off of here. You guys can tell me what you think. Let me move this. Didn't even think about grips, but I'll just take some off. Alright, so we have the turquoise Lineage, black tufts. I can't really see. I need new glasses, you guys. So that might look pretty dope on there. And then we've got old yellow here. Now both of these are 87 Haro Lineage, but they're based after the 87. And as far as I know, I think it would be more correct to have these style of bars. So there's black with blue on the yellow. I got some old pegs, or these are tree balsa pegs, and these are for flatland, way better than the stock Lineage. But anyway, let's see if I can get a look there. So that one, I think I do like this style of bars. Really, this style of bar has everything I feel like I need, but that looks pretty good. Anyway, alright guys, I guess it's been almost 4 minutes. So 8.5 Lineage bars. I may make another video if I decide to put them on. Alright, peace.